ready to unlock TikTok Shop, but hitting that annoying not available in your country wall. Let's break down some potential fixes and workarounds to get you shopping and selling. First things first, let's confirm it's actually a location issue sometimes. It's just a temporary glitch. Close the TikTok app completely on iPhone. Swipe up and off the screen on Android. Use the Recent Apps button and swipe to close it. Next, head over to your App Store, either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and search for TikTok. Check for any available updates because outdated apps can cause all sorts of problems. Install the update if there is one. TikTok Shop availability is heavily tied to your device's location settings. Make sure your location services are enabled. Go to your phone settings. Then find location or privacy. Ensure location services are turned on and that TikTok has permission to access your location. If TikTok Shop still isn't showing, a VPN virtual private network might be your next best bet. A VPN can mask your actual IP address and make it appear like you're browsing from a country where TikTok Shop is available. Download a reputable VPN app, connect to a server in a supported country like the United States or the United Kingdom, and relaunch TikTok. Keep in mind that using a VPN might violate TikTok's terms of service, so proceed with caution and do your research. One last thing to check: clear TikTok's cache. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Cache and Cellular Data, and tap Clear Cache. This can sometimes resolve minor glitches that prevent features from loading properly. Hopefully, with these steps, you'll be browsing and buying from TikTok Shop in no time.